Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this week we are going to unbox. I'm going to show you right away. But before that, I hope you saw my shorts, and I hope you saw my surprise video as well. If not, go back and check it. You might love it. So with that said, let me start with this. So we are going to unbox the Fast and the Furious race of the 25th anniversary edition set. Let's start with this. This is a Toyota Celica. So again, I bought this entire set for MRP, not more than that. I know I did say sometime back, I'm stopping Hot Wheels, but I mean, people are just whenever I'm just going to any shop, if I'm seeing something for MRP, then I will buy, and more specifically, if I like something, I will buy. So I stopped buying everything. A good example is Porsche. I stopped buying Porsche entirely. I'm stopping Ferrari. The only one Ferrari I got is which I will be showcasing now. So this is the Volkswagen Jetta Mark III, and here is the next one. 95 Mazda RX-7. Okay, this is the second one and this is the third one. Okay, so here is the fourth one, the Honda S2000. I think this is going to be probably a lot of people's favorite just because of the livery and again the history behind it. And last one in this particular set is this is the Honda Civic EG. This feels like a full metal casting. It looks like a full metal casting. I really want to check this out because this is actually heavy, and this one is also a little bit heavy compared to this is heavier. This is not that much, but it still feels heavy. Okay, so this is the entire Fast and the Furious set which you are going to unbox this week. And last but not least, which is this one. So this is a Ferrari 250 GTO. So to be very honest, I might be selling this because again I am not a fan of Ferrari. I saw this entire set. I just wanted to pick only one. There was a Jaguar, and there was the Greenwood Corvette. I personally love Corvettes, but I have a Greenwood Corvette in green color with black pinstripe, which was a mainline, like 2023 mainline, if I'm not wrong. I think from AKS or so. I bought it from Muscat at that point of time, not in India. So I did a review back then. So if you guys want to see, just go back and see that. But the reason I bought this is a lot of people are asking for Ferraris over, like Facebook or over, even in Instagram, even in comments, YouTube comments, I'm seeing, people want me to unbox some kind of Ferraris. So this felt really on point, because it's a premium, and it is going to be having all the details as well. So I was originally, looking for a F40 because I do like F40s. I have a couple of Ferraris which I still have from Tomica, F40, FXX, and Italia, and one of my personal favorite Testarossa. I did unbox all those Ferraris in my channel. All those are from Tomica. So the Testarossa and F40 is really awesome by Tomica. All these, apart from Italia, rest are from Tomica Premium. Just go ahead and check it out. You might love, if you are a Ferrari lover, you might love all these videos. So okay, with that said, I bought this for MRP, which is 549. Again, I bought Hot Wheels today for 4,000 rupees, so I didn't see the price and all, so I bought like this. And there is one more surprise coming up, and I am planning to unbox that next week, so we will showcase you that. So with that said, this is what we are going to unbox this week. So stay tuned for all this, guys, and thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.